And now, the latest headlines.
Have you ever wondered why news headlines speak to the present moment?
No, Mom, I have not.
News headlines often capture the present moment, making stories feel like they unfold in real time. In the event of a zombie apocalypse, the media would showcase humankind's desperate struggle for survival, the unraveling of relationships, and the constant fear of becoming one of the undead. The high-stakes drama would require making the right choices to avoid certain death. The apocalypse would leave us navigating a new, dangerous world where staying alive is the only priority. It highlights the method behind the madness of news headlines. Let's start with the basics. The present tense is a potent tool that generates urgency, much like a bolt of lightning, that shocks you into action, and immediacy that crawls under your skin like ants, making you feel unprepared at all times. It's like watching a live sporting event unfold before your very eyes. Or when you realize the dead have returned to walk the earth again. The moment feels electric, startling, and intoxicating, and sweeps us up in the emotion and adventure. The present tense is like that. It grabs you by the collar and demands your attention. It makes you feel like you're in the thick of things whether you like it or not. There's another subtle reason why journalists prefer the present tense. It helps them maintain objectivity in their writing. Imagine a camera taking a photo. Just as a camera captures an image without personal bias or interpretation, a journalist who reports objectively strives to present the facts without adding their own opinions or emotions. By staying in the moment, reporters can avoid personal biases and beliefs creeping in. Fundamentally, the news should present the facts, plain and simple. Furthermore, the present tense is the perfect tool for keeping news coverage concise and focused. With just a few well-chosen words, a headline can give you a snapshot of what's happening in the world without any excess drama or fluff. Think of the present tense as a laser beam focused on the here and now. Finally, news headlines often use the present tense because the world changes. A story can shift from moment to moment, and journalists must keep their readers up to date with the latest information. The present tense allows reporters to update their stories easily and keep the facts fresh. So, pay attention to the verb tense the next time you read a news headline. You might be surprised by how much power those little words can wield.